Hi, I'm Amanda, and today we're going to be making floating toy soaps. We're going to use these silicone cupcake molds and some bath toys. First of all, we need to prepare the ingredients and the equipment on this list. Chop the goat's milk soap base into small cubes. Place them into a heat-safe container and microwave them in 30-second increments. Be careful not to overheat the soap as it will bubble up if you do. Stir thoroughly with a spoon or spatula to make sure that the lumps of soap are melted. Add the fragrance oil and use a spoon or spatula to fully incorporate the fragrance. Pour the soap mixture into each mold. Leave a ½ inch of the space in the mold for another layer of the colored soap. Spray with rubbing alcohol to get rid of any bubbles. Allow the soaps to cool and harden for 20 minutes. In the meantime, chop the glycerin soap base into small cubes. Place them into a heat-safe container and microwave them in 30-second increments. Stir thoroughly with a spoon or spatula to make sure that the lumps of soap are melted. Add in fragrance oil and use a spoon or spatula to fully incorporate the fragrance. Split the soap mixture into 6 small heat-safe beakers. Add soap colorants into each beaker, then use a spoon or stick to fully incorporate them. If you feel like the soap is getting a bit too hardened, then you can put it back in the microwave. Once the soap color is fully blended, carefully pour the soap mixtures into each mold. You don't want to fill the second layer too full because you still need to put the bath toys in each mold before it gets hardened. Spray with rubbing alcohol to get rid of any bubbles. Allow the soaps to fully cool and harden for 1 hour. Let's unmold these floating toy soaps. It's pretty easy to unmold these. All you need to do is just pull and then get it out. All of these have like layers on it, and it has one color, and then it has the white on the bottom, and then they have a little toy and it looks like it's swimming. You can use different things like rubber duckies, rubber toys. You can also use squeaky toys for your dogs. And these would make great gifts and make bath time fun time. Well, thank you for watching. Follow us here, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!